Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alonzo. In today's video, we're going to be showing you a tour of a home here in Gorgona. This is a home that is in a typical Panamanian neighborhood. But first, we want to remind you all about our Panama Relocation online course, which has over 50 instructional videos that are going to help you complete your move to Panama seamlessly and efficiently while avoiding costly mistakes. We have a couple of featured things within our course. One of which is our international relocation planning tool, which is going to help you organize and plan out your move like the very important project that it is. We also have 6 checklists that are designed to help you remain organized as well, that begin as early as 2 years prior to your move, all the way up to and including a moving day checklist. So check that out if interested. You can scan the QR code that is on your screen or click on the link in the description down below. We want to also invite you all to join our Chosen Few Expat community. There we have pre-release and exclusive content that you will not see here on YouTube. We have there a lot of recommended products, services, and tours. If there are tours that you wish to take on your own, there's day tours that we recommend. We provide those details there, as well as some itineraries that you can use if you're kind of going through this on your own. But we also want to invite you to take a Panamazing tour with our buddy Big Will over at Panamazing Tours. So if you're interested in that, you can scan the QR code that is on your screen or click on the link in the description down below. Also, we want to invite you all to join us as an affiliate. We have an affiliate program for our Panama Relocation online course. So you can sign up, you can get an affiliate link. If you have friends or family that are also interested in moving to Panama, share the link with them. They click on the link and enroll in our course. You receive a 30% commission. So, if you only get about 3 people to join the course, you will have paid for your course. And it could be a good source of income for you going forward as more and more people are interested in becoming interested in moving to Panama. And so with that, let's get into the video here. I'm going to show you some footage, of the neighborhood here in Gorgona. So you can see that this home is basically in a typical Panamanian neighborhood. We take a cruise up here past Gorgona Park, which is the area where we play pickleball with a lot of the other expats. So this home is only about 1.5 miles away from this beach that is behind me. I did want to walk the beach to kind of go through this intro part of the video, but as you all can see, the tide is pretty far today, so not a good safe option to be out there walking the beach. Let's get into the video. Hope you all enjoy this tour of this home here in Gorgona, Panama. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home. Rents for $700 a month. So this is a duplex in Gorgona. Very nice neighborhood, as y'all can see. You got the little washing machine, little maid's quarters. Could be like a little office. 1 full bath there. Nice storage area here. Full bath here. Bedroom number 1. Nice closet space there.
Open it up. Yeah. But yes. Open it up. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I like the space though.
I do too. Really good. Nice big old 6-eye stove.
Yes, more storage over there.
Good storage.
Did you look in here?
Not yet.
Okay.
I'm working my way around.
Give me a chance. Look at the little wine cooler, Nay, right there. That's like hard. I like that.
Nice living area.
It's like, yeah. It is. You can really see the space from this corner. You can see the outside space there too.
Mm-hmm.
And then there, I don't know why it's blocked off, but these are like French doors.
Oh, okay.
So no toy. No on the 4.
Oh, the 4-wheeler can't use. That would have been a nice added perk.
Anyway.
Yeah.
This is a
Nice
bathroom.
closet.
And here, baby.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's got 3 bathrooms.
Oh,
and
yeah,
3 bedrooms.
spacious.
Can't complain, huh?
That's nice.
And it's nice, exactly. You know? I couldn't complain. Yeah, I couldn't complain about it. And I mean, at all. Look, Maggie, what you told me you did. Yeah.
So it look like storage shed out back. So how about use of the little garage or the storage shed thing out back? Is that a? Yeah, I was wondering like about. This is probably like. This is your water tank.
Oh. Oh, I forgot it did say it came with something like that, and I don't understand it, but.
Yeah, that's like your backup, you know, water.
This is what I remember seeing because they had the doors, they had the French doors open. Oh, I see why it's taped because it's cracked right there. You get that replaced. I like the outside space. I love it. There's a little thing too, and I don't know. Oh, the shower thing. She said there's a shower outside before you go, like if you come and talk to yourself.
Sure. Hey, find out if you can use the neighbor's pool or not.
And that's available. Come live next door, y'all.
Yeah.
Next door. Y'all can live the one next door.
¿Qué es esto? ¿Depósito? ¿Puede ella usar esto? ¿Puede ella usar esto o no? ¿No? ¿Tú sabes cuesta por alquiler esto? ¿O necesito hablar con el dueño por la cuesta de alquiler? Okay. So if you all are interested in similar content in our Panama Relocation online course, check out our website, PanamaRelocationOnlineCourses.com. Please do join our community so that you can get on our list for our newsletter so we can keep you updated on what's going on in Panama and we can keep you updated on the best products and services. And with that, please do like, subscribe, comment down below, and we will catch you all on the next one.